एक रिचुअल है कोई भी ऐसे बड़ा काम होता है तो एक रिचुअल है कि हम पैर छूते हैं। ठीक है, तो छू लेते हैं पैर। ठीक है,
छू लेते।
खुद आप अपने पैर छू रहे हो, ये क्यों?
वो क्या है ना सर, हम नई जनरेशन है ना, तो क्या है कि पहली बार आपके साथ स्टेज पे यहाँ पे ऐसे, तो ऐसी जो फीलिंग है ना, तो बहुत ही कमाल की है। तो ऐसा लगा कि यार खुद ही के पैर छू के खुद ही को आशीर्वाद दे देते हैं ना। तो
कभी कभार वो छोटे छोटे शहरों से भी बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो जाती हैं सर।
सिद्धांत, तुम दोनों को सिखा दूं, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन अपने पाँव पड़ती है, पुरानी वाली इज्जत भी देती है, तो ऐसे करती है।
But we are fully South Indian, so this is how we do it. That's being South Indian, sir.
The press conference for the highly anticipated IFA Awards 2024 was held in Mumbai on Tuesday, with the presence of Bollywood icons like Shah Rukh Khan, Karan Johar, and other industry stalwarts such as Rana Daggubati, Siddhant Chaturvedi, and Abhishek Banerjee. While the event was full of star power, it was Shah Rukh Khan who stole the show with his effortless charm and wit.
एक बार बुलाया होस्ट करने के लिए, उसके बाद 10 साल के बाद बुला रहे हैं, ऐसी तारीफ करवाया जा रहा है, ऐसे लिख के लेकर आया तो यहाँ। नो, आई एम जोकिंग। अब क्लैरिफाई करना पड़ता ना कि जोक कर रहे हैं, सीरियसली नहीं बोल रहे हैं। भाई मैं जूम पे कर लूंगा, मैं बड़ा जल्दी जल्दी करता हूँ।
SRK playfully poked fun at Karan Johar for hosting his talk show and humorously commented on the new generation's way of touching elders' feet. Later, Rana Daggubati's humble gesture on stage left both SRK and Karan visibly shocked as he greeted Shah Rukh with a hug and touched the feet of both SRK and Karan. Their interactions quickly went viral.
Listen, boys, you're on for a ride, and we're really excited that both of you are hosting IFA Rocks, and along with, of course, Vicky, all of us. Like, we're a community of hosts this time. But we also have an incredible host in the house with us who is actually going to be hosting IFA Utsavam, big integral part of South cinema. I know for me, the origin of my entry into that cinema came with Rana, and I will always be grateful because Bahubali happened because of Rana. Rana, please join us on stage.
We are fully South Indian, so this is how we do it. That's being South Indian, sir.
Rana, we're so excited that we're all going to be together. And what do you have to say about the fact that this is truly a celebration of Indian cinema with 5 languages being awarded, you know, all at once at one ceremony? I mean, at one event.
So, sir, I don't know if you remember, we were 4 of the languages. We had an event in Dubai at one point, and we came to after party in your house.
Should I tell them about it? I was trying to keep it under
You're
wraps.
trying to keep it under wrap. Now we're official. Now
Yes.
we're actually on stage. We're actually in IFA. We're actually on the same day.
And don't worry, it's just the media that covers about like 1,000 countries at this point of time. So you can say what you want.
No, I was just, the fact that he is so hospitable.
Yeah.
He's actually entertained the entire 4 industries, not just as an actor, but as a human being. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And really, Karan, it started with you. The fact that we got Bahubali here, the first time all the languages started speaking cinema in some form. So thank you for that. And IFA, thank you for putting all us together. The earlier night, are you guys coming for the Utsavam? Yes. Thank you. So I think that'll be
it's a deliverable.
It's a deliverable? Oh.
Yeah. We are coming. Clap louder, y'all asked us to.
Thank you, the 3 IFA partners, for making this happen.
Yeah.
I think this is really the first time, sir. All of you all are at the South Indian Utsavam.
Yeah,
Awesome.
it is.
First
Actually, it's
time,
amazing. Like I said, it's quite fantastic. We're really excited about what's to come. And in fact, what a weekend. We start with IFA Utsavam, you have IFA Hindi, and then you have IFA Rocks. And then there's a lot of activities happening with all our talent. We have an incredible lineup, all very excited, and mainly because the main man is here. So thank you, Shah Rukh, thank you, Rana, and we'll all leave now.
Thank you.
We'll call Siddharth Kannan back because he may ask us to leave anyways.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.